Welcome to week 7. The topic is Event Management and Planning, Introduction and Overview. Introduction. Event management is a dynamic and multifaceted process that involves the strategic planning, meticulous coordination, and flawless execution of events. Spanning from the conceptualization phase to post event evaluation, event management is both an art and a science. This comprehensive exploration aims to delve into the various facets of event management, shedding light on its intricacies and providing a thorough understanding of the process and its key components. Overview of event management. At its core, event management is about creating and maintaining events that captivate and engage participants. The event life cycle begins with the initial planning phase, where crucial decisions regarding the event's time, location, and theme are made. Event managers, often referred to as planners or coordinators, play a pivotal role in orchestrating these decisions. During the event itself, they act as conductors, overseeing live operations to ensure everything runs smoothly, from welcoming guests to managing on site activities. The post event phase involves the collection and review of event data, organizing post event meetups, and strategizing for future events. The success of event management hinges on various branches of planning. Sourcing involves acquiring necessary materials and services. Designing focuses on creating an appealing and engaging event environment. Regulatory checks ensure compliance with legal and safety standards, and on-site management involves coordinating activities during the actual event. Activities before, during, and after the event are all integral, requiring attention to detail and a keen understanding of the desired outcomes. The event activities planning process is guided by fundamental principles, including concept, coordination, control, culmination, and closeout. The concept phase lays the foundation by addressing essential 5W questions: who, what, where, when, and why. Coordination is crucial during the planning stage, involving intricate decision-making processes that shape the event's structure. As the event progresses, control becomes paramount, with ongoing monitoring ensuring adherence to established timelines and budgets. The culmination phase marks the execution stage, where meticulous coordination brings planned activities to life. Post-event, the closeout phase engages in essential activities, from expressing gratitude to analyzing the overall success. Together, these phases form a dynamic framework that transforms conceptual ideas into immersive experiences, underscoring the importance of strategic planning, precise execution, and thoughtful reflection in the realm of event management. The concept stage serves as the foundation for event management, aiming to answer the fundamental 5W questions. Why? Clarifying the purpose of the event is essential, whether it's for brand building, lead generation, revenue generation, or a combination of objectives. This question sets the tone for the entire event. Who? Identifying the target audience is crucial for tailoring the event experience. While an event may have a diverse audience, catering to a specific segment or niche ensures a unique and impactful experience. What? Determining the event type based on the answers to the why and who questions guides decisions on speakers, activities, and overall theme. When? Timing is critical to ensure maximum attendance. Choosing the right date and time is essential for the event's success, where the event venue significantly impacts its success. Choosing a venue aligned with the event's goals is crucial. Coordination. Coordination is the planning stage of event management where the conceptualized event begins to take shape. This phase involves crucial decision-making processes. Deciding on a theme. The event theme sets the tone, contributing to the overall experience for attendees. Defining and approving the budget. A clear budget is essential for effective financial management throughout the planning and execution stages. Building an event management team. Assembling a competent and diverse team is crucial for distributing responsibilities and ensuring a well-rounded approach. Defining the event timeline. Creating a detailed timeline helps in organizing tasks, setting deadlines, and ensuring everything progresses smoothly. Onboarding speakers and sponsors. Engaging speakers and sponsors is integral to the success of many events, and early coordination with them is crucial for alignment with the event's goals. Developing digital properties like the event website. In the modern era, digital presence is vital. Creating an engaging and informative event website is key to attracting attendees and providing necessary information. Booking a suitable venue. The choice of venue should align with the event's goals and comfortably accommodate the expected number of attendees. Selecting vendors. Coordinating with vendors for various services such as catering, audiovisual support, and decorations is a critical aspect of event planning. Building a contingency plan. Anticipating potential challenges and having a contingency plan in place is essential for addressing unforeseen issues during planning or execution. The control phase is an ongoing process that begins after the planning and continues until the event day. It involves consistently monitoring and ensuring that the event planning adheres to the established timeline and budget. Key aspects of the control phase include monitoring event planning, adherence to the timeline, keeping track of tasks and milestones ensures everything progresses according to the planned schedule. Assessing budget compliance. Regularly reviewing expenses and financial allocations ensures that the event stays within the approved budget. Tweaking the production schedule. Flexibility is crucial, and adjustments may be necessary to accommodate changes or unexpected developments. Communicating with vendors for updates on deliverables. Regular communication with vendors is essential to stay informed about the status of services and ensure they align with the event's requirements. Addressing speaker and sponsor queries. Providing timely and clear communication to speakers and sponsors is crucial for maintaining positive relationships and ensuring their active participation. Resolving conflicts promptly and effectively. Conflicts may arise during the planning phase, and swift resolution is essential to maintain the overall harmony of the event. Culmination. The culmination phase is the execution of the event itself. It involves coordinating various activities to ensure a smooth and successful event day. Coordinating with vendors and sponsors. On the day of the event, effective communication with vendors and sponsors is crucial to ensure all arrangements are in place. Guiding speakers through their participation. Speakers play a vital role in many events. Providing them with necessary information and guidance contributes to a seamless and impactful presentation. Managing security, crowd control, and catering. Ensuring the safety and comfort of attendees is paramount. Proper security measures, crowd control strategies, and well-managed catering services enhance the overall event experience. Overseeing both frontline and back-end operations. Frontline operations involve direct interactions with attendees, while back-end operations focus on behind-the-scenes activities. Both aspects require close oversight to maintain the event's integrity. Implementing contingency plans. Despite meticulous planning, unforeseen issues may arise during the event. Implementing contingency plans allows for swift and effective responses to unexpected challenges. The closeout stage begins after the event concludes. It involves various activities to wrap up the event effectively. Expressing gratitude to attendees, showing appreciation to attendees for their participation and support contributes to a positive post-event experience. Ensuring the venue is in good condition. Proper post-event venue management is essential for maintaining good relationships with venue providers and ensuring future collaboration. Reviewing vendor contracts and settling accounts. Fulfilling contractual obligations with vendors and settling accounts promptly is crucial for building trust and maintaining positive vendor relationships. Gathering feedback from sponsors, speakers, and attendees. Collecting feedback provides valuable insights into the strengths and areas for improvement in future events. It also helps in maintaining positive relationships with sponsors and speakers. Tracking key metrics for performance evaluation. Evaluating key metrics such as attendance, engagement, and participant satisfaction provides a comprehensive understanding of the event's success. Reviewing the expense report. A detailed review of the expense report helps in identifying areas of overspending or potential cost savings for future events. Recognizing team efforts and rewarding top performers. Acknowledging the contributions of the event management team and rewarding top performers fosters a positive work culture and encourages continued dedication. Reflecting on the event's strengths and weaknesses enables continuous improvement for future editions. Identifying areas for enhancement ensures that each successive event is more successful and impactful. In conclusion, event management is a multifaceted process that requires strategic planning, effective coordination, and meticulous execution throughout its life cycle. The 5 C's: concept, coordination, control, culmination, and closeout provide a structured framework for navigating the complexities of event management. Successful event managers must balance creativity with logistics, ensuring that the event not only meets its objectives but also leaves a lasting and positive impression on attendees, sponsors, and participants. As the landscape of events continues to evolve, embracing innovative approaches, incorporating technology, and staying attuned to changing audience preferences will be crucial for event managers. Continuous learning, adaptability, and a commitment to delivering exceptional experiences will define the success of future events. Event management, in its essence, is a dynamic field that thrives on innovation, creativity, and the ability to turn ideas into memorable experiences.